Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen. Do that once more, and this will extend the list of visible toggles, revealing one of them should be power saving mode. Now let's see how long it takes me to locate it, because I don't see it on the first page. No, it is on the second page. So unfortunately, Google decided to remove clarity, meaning remove the labels from these toggles. So what you're looking for is this battery icon with a plus inside of it. I know, very easy to confuse some of them, or be very confused by what some of them do. So anyway, once you see it, you can simply tap on it and it automatically turns on. First time around, it actually might give you a quick notification what will be the changes, or you can also hold it and this will take you to the settings where you actually get those information. So you can see standard battery saver, limits visual effects and background activity, turns on dark theme, and or if not already on. So here is the standard one, which will be enabled by default when you tap on that toggle. But by holding it, you also have access right here, as you can see, to extreme battery saver. And this one, see what we have under settings here, because I am kind of curious. Okay, so we can choose applications. So let's enable this so I can show you how this looks like, because this explanation is kind of vague. So let's see, we have includes all changes listed above. So for the standard mode, also pauses non-essential apps and their notifications. Now this doesn't sound like much, to be completely honest. Yeah, we don't get any notifications for most of the applications. We don't get widgets. All these apps right here are non-essential. They just become grayed out and unavailable to us. Now we still have a wallpaper, so that's a little bit of a plus, as most devices actually remove the wallpaper from this. So here's our extreme battery saving. Now, whichever one you enable right here, that will be the one you will be toggling on and off in here. So whenever you're done, you can also obviously tap on this toggle to turn it off, and you're good to go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.